In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K621 TKL Keyboard. The Redragon K621 keyboard offers versatile connectivity with its 3-mode connection technology supporting USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Designed for enhanced user experience, it features a compact 87-key Tenkeyless layout in a low-profile design, optimizing space for mouse movement and offering shorter actuation distances. The keyboard supports RGB backlighting, includes on-the-fly macro keys, and a dedicated media control function area. It aims to boost productivity and gaming efficiency with customizable backlit modes, key reassignments, and macro recording capabilities through its software support. This product package includes the keyboard, USB cable, and user manual, tailored for desktop and laptop use with English language support. Number 2. Redragon K617 Keyboard. The Redragon Slim Fresh K617 is a compact 61-key wired keyboard designed with a focus on affordability and functionality, tailored for both FPS gamers and efficient work setups. It features hot swappable mechanical switches, initially equipped with quiet stock red switches that offer a linear and soft key travel experience, ideal for quick and precise inputs. The keyboard boasts vibrant RGB backlighting with up to 20 preset modes that can be adjusted for brightness and speed directly on the board. It supports customization through dedicated software, allowing users to create personalized backlighting modes and macros for enhanced productivity and gaming performance. Originating from mainland China under the Redragon brand, the K617 is compatible with desktops, laptops, tablets, and more, emphasizing a space-saving design without compromising on functionality or style. Number 3. Aula F87 Pro. The Aula F87 Pro wireless gasket mechanical keyboard is a compact TKL keyboard with 87 keys and a tri-mode connection, 2.4G per wired per BT. It features a gasket designed for a soft and smooth typing experience, with pre-lubed stabilizer and switch pad for enhanced performance. The keyboard supports multimedia function keys and is suitable for general use, with ergonomic support and RGB backlight effects. It offers 3 modes of connection, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, Type-C USB, and comes with a 4000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. Additionally, it is designed with 5-layered sound-absorbing padding for soft acoustics. Number 4. DrunkDeer A75. The DrunkDeer A75 Rapid Trigger Magnetic Keyboard is a wired, 82-key mechanical keyboard with a multicolor backlight. It features a brand new switch sensation with no physical contact, offering stability and sensitivity for any setup or game room. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable typing experience, and it works well with major computer brands and gaming PCs. The RGB backlight has 18 different light effects and 10 levels of adjustable brightness. Additionally, the keyboard includes volume knobs for easy control. The keyboard comes with various keycap options and is ideal for both gamers and typists, offering a distinct tactile bump and rapid trigger for gaming. Number 5. M87 Pro. The Vimea M87 Pro is a high-quality mechanical keyboard designed for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications. It features UTEMU switches, PBT plastic keycaps, and a compact 87-key layout with a top-mount style. The keyboard offers multiple connection options including USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, and is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery. It also includes special features such as multicolor backlighting and hot swappable switch support. With its durable construction and compatibility with Windows and Mac OS, the M87 Pro is suitable for gaming consoles and PCs, making it a versatile choice for users seeking a reliable and customizable mechanical keyboard.